Hey guys, what's up? This is Sandhya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm up with 5 viral photography ideas that I tried out, and one of them includes this DIY backdrop that I'm using here. It's not actually made up of foil paper but a different thing, so you need to watch out till the end what I used. So without much further, let's get into the video. For picture number 1, I took a curtain. You can take any fabric. Choose a window side for natural light and then tie it in the window pane. Cover up yourself with the curtain and then start clicking pictures. If you want your hands free, then put the phone in timer. Use a tripod or find a place where the phone can stand still. These are the final pictures. This idea is quite simple, but I love how cute and chic it looks. Picture number 2. I made the paper roll with an old calendar and stick one side of it towards the phone. Here my very own spotlight is ready. These are the after edit pictures and look how pretty they look. This is obviously gonna get a huge thumbs up. Picture number 3. To make the picture more creative, I added this letterbox with the caption Quarantine and Chill. Here are the pictures. You know this is the cheapest backdrop ever, but the outcome is so good. Picture number 4. So for this type of pictures, the key ingredient is editing. And this too gets a thumbs up. Picture number 5, here it goes. For this, I use old gift wrappers instead of foil paper, and this is what I was talking about in the beginning. I think it is more efficient than using foil paper and helpful for those who don't have foil paper at home. Then I took some glitters and a lip gloss and did some quick makeup. So here it comes, my most favorite photoshoot pictures. This obviously had to be my favorite because it gives such a studio look and I'm just loving it. So we are finally at the end of the video and thank you so much for watching till the end. If you're creating these pictures after watching this video and if you don't mind tagging me in a post with the hashtag #CCSandhya, I would really love. Do share this video with your friends or family who want to try this out and do subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.